guys, welcome to Code Zero. Today I will be making a GUI based application in which I will be implementing a fully stack and all of its functionality will be implemented in the GUI. Here I will have three buttons: insert button, deletion button and update button. This insert button will insert values in the stack, and this deletion button will delete the values from the stack, and this update button will reset the stack, and this is the text field in which the user will insert the values inside the stack. Okay, now let's move towards our editor. I am using NetBeans IDE. You can use whatsoever IDE you want to use. There are many IDEs like Eclipse or Intel IJ. So I'm creating my new project and I'm selecting Java application next and name it as GUI stack. Look here, uncheck this if you have this checked because we won't be needing a main class. Hit finish and there our project is created. Now right click and go to new. There you will see JFrame form. If you are not seeing this here, so go to swing GUI forms and there you will see JFrame form. Hit next and name it as capital G GUI as capital S and stack. Now GUI stack with capital G and S. Okay, now hit finish. You will see a window created. This window will act as a container. It is known as JFrame. We will be implementing all of the components which it has, which are provided here, like label, button and all other. Now I will be dragging this button here. Okay, this here for deletion and this one for updation. Okay, now I will insert a text field here for the value which the user will enter. Now I will insert a label here and there. I will insert text fields. Insert these text fields as of the size you want of the stack. If you want the stack of 5, insert these as 5. So I will be using 5 max 5. I will be using a stack of maximum value of 5. So I have initialized 5 text fields. There will be 5 elements in the stack for this program. Okay, now I will go to this and this from here you can change the properties of the component. This is the JText field, so I am removing the value from there. You can see it is empty now. We will do this for all the J fields. Okay, yes, all our fields are now empty. Now I'm going to resize it. Okay, now I will move this in the position where it should be. Okay, I am now moving the J label here, and now I am renaming it to, you can see here, from here I can remove it. I am moving it as stack, stack. Okay, now you see that the name is changed here. Now for this I'm renaming it as insert and this as delete, this as update. Okay, these are from here I have renamed the values which will be shown to the user. Now for the backend I have to rename these variables so that it helps me when writing the code. Here this is a J button and you can see when I hit this it automatically selects this. This is for insert, so I am renaming it as insert. Okay, and now this you see it automatically selected delete. I am sorry, not, I'm changing the variable name, so delete. Okay, you can also change the text from here. You can see I'm again gonna write update just to tell you can write change the text from here or here. Okay, now let's move this to this field. This is, I will change the variable name to insert text. Okay, I'm renaming these two as array1. I will name it as array1 and these two r2 and these two r3 r4 and there goes our last one, and I'm going to rename it to r5. Okay, so all our GUI based work is done. So there you can see the source tab when you click it, you will see all the code is out here. Well, I have copied a stack which I'm going to paste here. I will provide this code in the description, so you can paste it outside this GUI stack class. Okay, you have to place outside this GUI stack class, and once you paste the stack class out here, now we can implement all the functionalities of this stack. I'm not discussing the stack because this is not the scope of our course, so view the documentations of Java to know about the stack. Now I'm going to change the functionalities of this function, going back to the design, and now when I'm going to double click this insert, you will see I will automatically jump towards this line, and you can see the name of this function is insert action perform. That means that I am inside a function in which the actions that are performed by the insert button will be wrote here. The code, all the code will be written here. So I'm going to write the code. Okay, now I'm going to write stack dot push. Oh wait, first of all I have to create a stack object, so I'm initializing it, and I will write 5 because I told you that this is the size of the stack. I wrote 5 because in the design I gave it 5 tabs. The more you make the tabs, the more value you give. Okay, now I have given the 5. Now back towards my function. You can go there by going back to the design and double clicking insert. You will go inside this function. Now I will be writing my code. So this is the object I just created, and I'm going to push the value. The value which I will be pushing is insert text dot get text. Well, this insert text is let me show you what this is. Going back to design, you can see I have renamed this text field as insert text. Whatever the user write here, this will be placed in the insert text variable, and I will use a function dot get text which will return me this value. This will be a string, so you can see there is the error because our stack is of integer type and this is a string, so we have to convert this string into integer. I have typecasted it. Okay, now you can see the error is gone. Okay, this value will be pushed in our stack. Now I'm going to switch stacks.top. Okay, well, you can see that I use the switch because this stack.top will be the top value present in the stack. If the stack is empty, the top value will be 0. Okay, when the user is going to push it in the stack, when the user will push this value in the stack, this will become 0. Okay, I will show you. For now the top value is -1. The initial value of top is -1. When the user push some value inside the stack, this top variable goes to 1 from 0. Okay, now this will -1 will be changed from 0 from -1 to 0. Okay, this will be now 0. 0 is an element of an array, you know, so I use this case 0. So whenever there will be 0, this will be called set text well. First of all, we put this value in the stack, and now we will place this value in our GUI application. This array 5 is, I will show you, this array 5 is this element. As you can see, this is my last element here. Yeah, so whenever the stack has its first value is shown here. Okay, second here, third here, fourth here, fifth here. So that's why I have used array 5. If I had used array 1, then the value will be placed here, so that is not the working of the stack place first value here. So I use this array 5 and initialize this with, you can see, insert text dot get text. This is the value which the user will add from here. Once the user is going to write something here and press insert, that value will be placed here. Okay, now this is for case 0. Now moving towards case 1. if the top variable is 0, this will be performed. If the stack top variable is 1, then 4 dots. Okay, I will use a semicolon here. If the user enters the second value, then the element of the array will change from 0 to 1. Okay, now if the element is 1, this case will be performed and array 4 will be called and it will be initialized with the value array 4. This is array 4 and this will be called. After array 5, the element will top element will shift to 1 and 1. This is the one element of the array. This is 0 and this is 1. Okay, I have to use the break here. Now let's move towards case 2. Same will be the case here. When the user is going to put another value, insert another value by pressing the insert button third time, the element will be updated to 2 from here. When as it is going to be pushed inside here, and the top will become 2. Okay, and this case will be executed, in which array 3 will get this value. This is array 3 and this will get the value from here to here once the insert button is pressed. Okay, now let's move towards case 3. Same will be the case here, so I'm not going to explain it again. Now going forward to case 4. Okay, there's a problem, that is array 2 and this is array 1. Okay, set text. Use break. Okay, when the user is going to press insert, then these cases will perform. Now let me show you the practical use. GUI stack. Okay, loading. Okay, you can see our form is created, JFrame is created. Now I'm going to add some value to check 12, and there you go. You see it is, this is array 5 and the element is placed here. Now I'm going to write 1. Okay, you can see that the values are updating. Okay, now we will add functionalities to our delete function. Okay, I'm going to double click here and you can see that the delete function is shown. This is the delete action performed, so the action that will be performed when the delete button is pressed. Okay, what I will be doing, that I will be copying them. Okay, I will copy these and place it here. Okay, the changing which I will be doing here is that, okay, there are errors. Why? Let's do it again. Okay, still errors. Okay, I see. There is because of this. Okay, now there is gone. Okay, start ending it. The changing which we will do is that we will give the value which is empty, you can say. Okay, error, 2 brackets. Okay. Okay, once when the user is going to press the delete action perform button, when the user is going to press this delete button, the stack dot top, let's say it will be 3. When it will, if the top element is 3, then this case will be performed, and in this the array 2 dot text which will have a value, its value will be reset to this and it will become empty. Okay, it will become empty, and what we will be doing is that we will be creating another update and we will enhance this function, or you may say button. What I'm going to do is that I'm again going to copy this till here and I will paste it here. All I have to do is remove these breaks so that if the value is passed from anywhere it goes to all. Okay, and I will call here 0, because when the case 0 will be performed, it will make it empty and it won't be breaking, which in this case in this function it broke. Like if it was called as case 3, array2.x will become empty and it will break. It won't affect any other. But in this scenario, if we have